We next set the position of the TCP, position of TCP, and the lateral board, and this move it together. We let the robot go to the 0 position, go home to this button. Come here. There, please. Change the speed, move it, right? And then I can see the joints position. The now is 0, 0, 0. Then next, we choose the program, choose the here. Yeah. Then choose this button. Then choose 5. Choose the G55 rotate. Then set the as no. Yes. Then you can see the here. How, right? 刚才没有是吧？没有。Now, learn how to test the position of the TCP. Moving robots together. Here is U. You can see the direction and the direction. Then we first let the robot go to the 0 position. How to move it? You can see the choose here. Yeah, choose this button. Then choose yes, go. Also, you can change the speed. Now is at the 0 position. Then choose the program. Then do it. Here. We first choose the G55 rotate. Then choose the set as now. You can see the here. If you press the yes, here, choose the G55 rotation. Then choose the rotated core. Then do only find 3 points. 1 point, then let the track go turn a little, then check, then movie track a little, then pick, then moving first let the robot go. We find 哪个点 this point, then let the touch turn 把枪转过来。OK， 多了。OK。We're moving. Let the Y point go to this point. 枪再转过来，枪再转过来，往这边转啊！对，好。We move it here. You see that here is the track at the 0, right? The track is the position. You can the joint U is at 0. Then we get the P1, P0. Okay, here change it. Then we move. Let the robot touch go up. Then turn the track. Okay, then moving the track, moving the U， 大约多少？ moving the track the U axis to about 30 degrees. Then moving the robot data the Y contact here again. Can you see it? It's good. Then we the now you exercise at the 30. You can see the joint, right? Then choose the get the P1. Change it, right? Right. Change it. Then moving touch go up a little. Then track. Moving the track go to 16 degrees about. Then can see the U exercise at the 60 degree. Then moving again, let the Y contact this point. We go. 它这个踩点的话，枪不能转嘛？
还有 X 轴也不能动。
哦 ，X 轴也不能动。
对，你一会儿给他看这个 X 的数值嘛。
哦 ，the X, get the P0, P1, P2, the X size then moving, and the 10, the C also not moving, only moving the U and Y, okay?
Z 也可以。
Now you can see it about, right? Then you can see it here is about 60 degrees. Then get the P2. P2 you can see the X no change, only Y, Z, only Y, Z. And this one is U, right? Then we do next. Right? Then press this button. Then choose this button. Then choose yes. 完成了吗？ Then choose this button. Can see it? 好了。
OK。
Okay. The now set. The position of the TCP is set success. We know how to check it.也是全是这个。Choose the work. This calibration. Then do moving the 哪个轴 ？Moving the U exercise and see the robot. Okay. Change the speed. You can see it. Move it together. 好，往这边转。Can see it. 好，等一下，你动你的，然后再回去。Move it together, right? 等一下，我在这个方向。Move it together, right? This one is set how to set the position of the TCP. Okay. We next go back, right, to the program, then do the work.